Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another interesting SQL question. So let's understand the question first and then jump out to the solution. Okay, so here's the question. So this is my input table and this is my output. So the question is write a SQL to list employee name along with their manager and senior manager name. Senior manager is manager's manager. Okay, so we have this table where we have employee ID, employee name, and manager ID. So we have only one table. Using this table, I have to drive this output where we have employee ID, employee name, and manager's manager name, which is senior manager name. Okay, so these kind of questions are asked very frequently in SQL interviews. I'm going to explain this in Excel as well, so don't get confused. I will explain very clearly. Also, in the end of the video, I will explain some more variant of this question. So many variant can be asked of this question. Okay. So watch this video till end. You are going to understand very clearly how cell join works. Also, in the description box, I will put the insert and create table statement. Try it yourself before checking my solution. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's focus on employee name and manager name, right? So I'm going to explain this in Excel first, how it works. Okay. So let's say I have this employee table, right? This is what we are seeing. And let's say I have two instances of this employee table. Just it is just a duplicate I have created of this table. I'm calling it as E and this as M, right? So this is how you have to work when you have a same reference in a table. So if you see the manager ID is referencing to this table itself, the employee ID. So manager ID 4 is nothing but this Rohit, right? So this is a self-reference case that one column of the table is referencing to the other column of the same table. So in this kind of situation, we have to use self join, and the best way is just put two copies of these same table in Excel or anywhere and try to understand. Now I need to get the manager's name. So I have this employee ID, manager ID. Now what I can do, I can have two instances of this table and join manager ID with employee ID of this instance, right? So I have a table employee E, employee M. I will join manager ID with employee ID, right? And get the employee name. So I will get the manager's name, right? So Ankit's manager is Rohit, right? So let me do this in SQL quickly. So how we will do from EMP, right? So this I will call as E. And then left join, I'm doing left join in case someone doesn't have any manager, he should be there in the output. Left join again EMP M as I said, right? On, I'm going to say, I'm going to say E dot manager ID, right? E dot manager ID equal to M dot employee ID, right? So M dot EMP ID, right? So I will take E dot EMP ID, E dot employee name, right? So I got E dot employee ID, E dot employee name. Now what I have to get? M dot employee name as manager name, right? So I joined on this. So if I the employee name will be manager's name, Ankit's manager name. So I will say M dot employee name equal to as manager name. So M dot EMP name as manager name. Let's run this and see. Let me take it down. Doesn't look good. Okay. So if you see, I have got manager name. So Ankit's manager is Rohit, right? So if you look at here, Ankit's manager is manager ID 4, which is this Rohit. Let's look at employee ID 2. Manager is 5. 5 Mudit. So Mohit's manager should be Mudit, right? So I hope this is clear. Now I need manager's manager name, right? Now this is little tricky, but try to understand in Excel. So now I will take one more copy of this table. Okay. Okay. So let's say as senior manager, SM. Now what I need, I already have the join of these two table, right? Now what can I say? I need manager of this guy, right? Manager of manager, right? So what I will say again, join this manager ID with employee ID of new table, right? So manager's table's manager ID should again join with employee ID and get the employee name. This guy will be senior manager. So how I will do? I will just do a left join again, and I will this time say SM, right? And manager dot manager ID, which means M dot manager ID equal to SM dot employee ID, right? SM dot employee ID. And this time SM dot employee name will be senior manager, right? Let's run this. So we have got senior manager. Let's verify. Let's verify. For Ankit, manager is 4, 4. So Rohit. And his manager is 2, 2, Mohit. So manager is Rohit, senior manager is Mohit. Right? Rohit, Mohit. Let's see for Mohit. For Mohit, manager is Mudit and senior manager is Agam. So Mohit, Mudit, Agam. Mohit Mudit Agam. I hope this is clear. Very clear it should be because I have explained in Excel. You should visualize it yourself in Excel to make sit in your mind. Okay, once it is clear, you don't have to practice it again and again. Now, I was talking about that there are other variations of this question. So, other variation can be, let's say you have a salary column also in this. So, we have a salary column in employee table, right? So question can be give me the salary of manager and manager senior manager as well. So it is simple. I will just say M dot salary. So this M dot employee name is manager name. So if I get M dot salary, then I will get manager salary, right? M dot salary as manager salary, right? So if I run this now, so I got manager salary, right? So for example, this is Rohit is manager. What is Rohit's salary? So let's see in the employee table. Extra from EMP. I have salary as well here. So if you look at Mohit's salary is 15,000, right? My manager is Rohit. Ankit's manager is Rohit. Rohit's salary is 14,000. So I got manager's salary, right? Now there can be questions. Give me those employees whose salary is greater than manager's salary or whose manager's salary is greater than senior manager's salary. So all those can be done using where clause. So I can say M dot salary greater than SM dot salary. So this will give me all the employees where manager's salary is greater than senior manager salary, right? So this is how there can be many variations. They can ask manager's name, senior manager name, salary, comparison between salary, or some people can ask where senior manager salary is greater than employee salary or employee salary is greater than senior manager salary. So if we can say simply if employee salary is greater than senior manager salary, give me those records. So all those combinations you can solve it if you understand this, right? So there are two people whose salary is greater than senior manager salary, right? So I hope this is clear. The main funda is to understand this how this cell join work. We can make multiple cell join, right? If I have to make one more cell join, I can do it, right? So again, I will join the senior manager's manager ID as senior manager ID, right? So I hope this is clear. Do try it yourself. Let me know if you have any doubt. I hope this makes sense. Thanks for watching it. Like the video and share with your friends. Have a good day.